What's up YouTube, it's Brandon from Tattooing 101, and today I'm going to be doing a cover-up on Shane, an artist in my tattoo studio. Come on. So what are we going to be covering up?
We're gonna cover up some Cherry Creek Flash. Got that when I was an apprentice. It was back in 2019, so like almost 6 years ago.
A long time ago. And what's the story behind it? You just were there?
Story behind it is you know, I'm into traditional tattooing, so I have an appreciation for old Flash, and the artist who did it just didn't do the best job on it, so I think it's time to get it gone.
And that's the only reason you want to cover it up?
Yeah, I mean, I think a wolf head would be a lot cooler than, you know.
Wolf head is way cooler than a lady's face.
Than a lady face.
1,000%.
It's prime real estate right here, man.
So let's get into the tattoo.
No, we're gonna go.
Oh, I got it!
Yo!
All right, Shane, before we start the tattoo, we have to do our tattooing yoga. Remember, it's super important. So take it off, how do we start?
Typically, when I like to start my tattoo sessions, I tend to go for a toe touch.
Okay.
You know, so we're gonna stretch our lower back.
Oh, that sucks. Yep. Oh,
Yep,
yeah,
yep.
I feel that. All right,
yeah.
Now let's get into the tattoo. Little giggle bugs.
Damn, dude.
The noises he making. Just,
Yeah, but none was as bad as my throat and back. That sucked.
Bug pins have smaller diameter needles, so the saturation every time you're putting the needles into the skin is going to be smaller, so it's harder to pack and saturate.
So I wanted to eat something. You left, but I ate something before we did this because I knew better. Dude, I like that pink. A rose, I guess.
Old rose.
Shit's dope. I like that.
So, that was the tattoo process of getting it covered up. Shane, how did it feel?
Didn't feel good. It wasn't too bad though.
What was the worst part?
Worst part was definitely over there, close to that armpit, right on this edge. Wasn't too bad up in here though, more towards the meaty area.
Close to that knee belt?
Yeah, over to that armpit, and yeah, down here by that nipple kind of sucked. But it wasn't too bad.
Well, there you have it. Any words from the wolf? No. Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day.